Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to edit photos on Snapchat. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Snapchat. Make sure you have already downloaded Snapchat on your device. Now as you can see, gallery icon on bottom left corner, tap on it. Now here you can see a collection of photos and videos. If you want to edit a photo from this, then you can just tap on it and edit it. If you want to edit photo that is from camera roll, that is from your mobile device, then you can just go for camera roll and tap on manage, and you can select photos from your mobile gallery. For now, let me select this photo from Snapchat, and to edit it, just tap on this down arrow. Now if you swipe left, then it will give you many options to edit your photo, different filters. So you can use any filters. And if you want to retouch this photo, then just tap on retouch icon that is located on right corner. Retouch on. And if you want to add music on it, then tap on music icon and select off music. And if you want to save it after editing, tap on download icon and click on download button. So in this way you can edit a photo on Snapchat and save it. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.